takes, but out of control. Icy road conditions wreak havoc in Turkey's capital city, with one teenager capturing the cell phone footage on a car skidding downhill. Wait, where is this? Is this Dikmen? Ankara'nın Dikmen'e bir daha gidersem sik beni. Where is it in Ankara? What part of Ankara is this? Because, like, I did live in Ankara for a little bit. No, stop saying Ankara, man. I know. I'm asking what fucking part of Ankara. I lived in Ankara. I know what Ankara looks like. Why don't they have... You're supposed to have... Zincir takmaları lazım amına koyayım. Niye takmıyorlar zincir? Böyle yersin işte yarra. They need to salt these roads, and also on top of that, they need to have what is it called in English? I don't know. Chains, right? Is that what it is called? You got to put chains on your tire, like snow tires, winter tires. Winter tires don't do shit on ice? No, it's not just winter tires. You're supposed to put a fucking chain on it. Yeah. Chains are illegal in cities? Wait, really? Chains are bad for the road? I don't think people in Turkey... I don't think in Turkey people know how to use chains. Fuck do you mean? I grew up in fucking Turkey. We would have chains. We would put chains on in the. We would put. You gotta put this. You gotta put your car in two if you're going down a fucking hill like this, and you gotta have chains on. They're called studs, not chains. Into lol. Okay, second gear, whatever, dude. Listen, there's a little bit of a there. This is where my Turkish jumps out a little bit. Like you have to recognize that some of these concepts I have not thought about in English or in America at all. Like I lived in New Jersey. I didn't really fucking do any of that shit because the roads are usually always the roads even in New Jersey in like the worst of fucking winter are usually pretty well salted.
Bu kayan renç değil mi?
Oof.
Hassle.
Oof. Yo, what is that ugly ass color, dude? Oh! Roads in chat are hella salty right now. Chat is hella salty. I don't know about the roads. The roads need some of the salt that the chat has. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm gonna be in the latest daily dose of the internet video, by the way. Yeah. It was fun, right?
My PP still hard.
Oh, congratulations, my friend. I'm happy for you. My PP's still hard. Salt only helps to a point. Eventually, it gets so cold that it still freezes over. I'm from Alaska, and yes, chaining up your tires give you so much more grip, and studs are a thing, but it's an alternative to winter tires. Please give the show a chance. They would eat it up. Below Deck. Bravo? I'm not going to watch a Bravo show, dude. What the fuck? That's too much. That's too much drama, dude.
$3 month.
That's way more drama than Drama Mondays, baby. Okay, we already got a good Jubilee video to watch. We defeated racism earlier this morning. Let's start with the man who is sexually attracted to balloons.